Today we are looking at a really nice, totally rebuilt Fischbein sewing pedestal. It is equipped with the power in feeder and the air thread pusher. It is set up on 230 volt 3-phase. Just doing a walk around of the unit, and then we're going to show you it in operation. Just going over the unit here, it is equipped with the electronic eye bag sensor. Both of these ball door motors have been rebuilt. You can see, looking at our paper sack here, the unit chains really well. It made a continuous chain. You can see the stitch there. This unit is equipped with the adjustable height stand. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start the power in feeder. You can hear it running. See it there? Okay, so we have our air hooked up for the air thread pusher. We have our PSI set to 80. It is important to note that you never exceed 100 PSI as written here. We're going to go ahead and feed our bag in so you can see the unit sewing. There you can see, did a really nice job. Made a perfect stitch. We'll go ahead and do it again. Go ahead and do it a third time. This unit is in excellent condition, ready to go back to work. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.